Alright, good day viewers. I remain my humble self again, Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. God bless you. Before me on the board is linear graph. Before me on the board is linear graph. In a Cartesian plane, in our graph, we have the x-axis and the y-axis. The Cartesian plane means that we have two coordinates, which is x, y. Where both of them meet, we read the x-axis before the y-axis. Okay, let us use to draw the graph. So draw the graph of the following. Y is equals to x plus 3. Though the value of x is not given to you, y might give you the value of x. Let me take the value of x from minus 3 to plus 3. Let me take it from minus 3 to plus 3. Here will be minus 1. Here is 0. Here is 1. Here is 2. And here is 3. Okay? Now, you demarcate it. That is the x-axis. But before y is equal to x plus 3, we have two things there. We have x again. We have plus 3. Then, after that, we now have our y. So math teacher can write y is equal to x plus 3, the same thing as I'm looking for y. Now, here means 1. When I just want to multiply everything, they remain the same thing, which is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, here is a constant number, which is 3 plus 3. You add the constant number across, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Here will be 3. Here will be 4. Here will be 5. Here will be 6. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's copy this down because I will use to plot my graph now. Let's go to the graph. Alright, so I assume you copy it down. I've already done it before, so I will be plotting it now. Here is our y-axis and x-axis. This is the origin. So here is 1, 2, 3. Here is our x-axis. I'm using 1 centimeter representing 1 unit on the x-axis, 1 centimeter representing 1 unit again on the y-axis, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the y-axis. Here is minus 1. Okay, let me just say this is y negative. You don't have any minus there before. Or y that is negative. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here is negative x. So I'm taking the scale again. Write the scale down. Scale. 2 centimeters represent 1 unit on the x-axis. 2 centimeters represent 1 unit on the y-axis. When x is, our table we have minus 3. When x is minus 3, y is 0. I will mark this place. When x is minus 2, y is 1. We'll mark it there. When x is 1, y is 2. Go to the table, please. When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 2, y is 5. When x is 3, y is 6. So we are going to draw a straight line. We are going to draw a straight line. When you draw the straight line, you place a ruler. Okay. We have now succeeded in drawing the line. Now, this is the graph. You can write it here. Y is equal to x plus 3. If you want to write it there, you can write it there. Y is equal to x plus 3. The graph, the line cutting the graph at these 2 points. So what is the intercept? The intercept is minus 3 on the x-axis and the intercept again is 3 on the y-axis. So the intercept is minus 3 on the x-axis, it cut it at minus 3, and on the y, it cut it at plus 3. I will give you 3 good examples. So don't stop, stay tuned. Alright, this is example number 2. Before I continue again, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel again at Ultimate Success. Watch, subscribe, watch, and share. Now, draw the graph of the following. Number 2. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. And like what I said, the range of x, or value of x, is not given to you. I'm taking it from minus 3 to plus 3. So I'm taking it on the range of minus 3 to plus 3. I'm taking my range like that. Now, I'm going to say x is from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, the first thing there is 2x. The other thing there is plus 3. So the last thing there will be y. The last thing there will be y. Okay, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 2 times 0 is 0. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. This is plus 3, a constant number. You add it all through. Plus 3. You add it all through. All through. Okay. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Here is 3. This plus this is 5. Here is 7. And here is 9. So let's go back to the graph now and plot the graph of this. Please, I'll expect you to copy it down because I'll be shifting my camera to the graph now. Alright, I've shifted my camera to the marker board. I bought this marker from Gigi online. So they are good people, trustworthy people. The man is from Lagos, from Gigi online. Now, if this is a graph, here is our x-axis, here is negative x, here is y-axis, here is negative y. Here is negative y. Negative x, and the other side is negative y, and this is the origin. Okay, now I want to use, here is 1, 2, 3, here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, let me just take here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can pick the scale from there now. That on the x-axis, 1 centimeter represents 1 unit. On the y-axis, 1 centimeter represents 2 units. Okay, like what I said, the table of value was on the board, but I want to plot it because I have done it before teaching. Alright, when x is minus 3, y is minus 3. Okay, here is minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This place is minus 3. When x is minus 3, y is minus 3. When x is minus 2, y is minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is minus 1. Okay? So if you fix this graph, you will circle them. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When x is minus 1, y is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I assume you have copied it. When x is 0, y is 3. Here is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my 3. When x is 1, y is 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of the box I'm jumping is 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. When x is 2, y is 7. 6.2, 6.4, 6.8. Here we give us 7. Then, when x is 3, y is 9. Here is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That place is 9. That place is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are going to draw the straight line. To draw the straight line. Okay, that is the graph. That is the linear graph. Now let's get the intercept. Let's get the intercept at x axis and at y axis. Okay, let's come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here is minus 1, minus 1.5 is minus, at x-axis is minus 1.5. It cuts the line of the x-axis here, and here is minus 1.5. And on the y-axis is 3. And the y-axis is 3. So these are the intercepts. Okay, let me do the last example, which is not the least. I call it example number 3. Subscribe again to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success. Or let me give you the number 3 as an assignment. I will not do it. I will give you as an assignment. Alright, I decided not to do, I wanted to do it before as my number 3 example. I have done 2. So it's enough for you to plot any of the linear graph. Whether you're in GS3 or you're in the senior secondary, you can plot it. So I want to drop this with you as an assignment. When I teach, I give assignment. My students know me, they always complain because you must do a numerous assignment, but I want to give you just one. Now, draw the graph of y equal to x minus 1 for the value of x ranging from -3 to +3. Drop it on my comment section at Otemu Math Success. God bless you. Real good.